My name is Koen de Witte. I'm the founder and principal of a company called LeadFabric. We are based out of Brussels. But another way to describe my role and title of the company is to call myself the Chief Weaving Officer, which kind of explains what we stand for, what we do as a company, which is about bringing sales and marketing together, weaving it into one collective whole. Everybody who uses Eloqua knows that it enables a lot of different things. What we've learned working with the tool, and we've been working with Eloqua since 2002, which is a pretty long time in different capacities, but we have built up that expertise, is that a lot of users are still just scratching the surface of what the tool can do for them. And that we see in the US, but we certainly see that also in Europe. If you then think about Europe, it makes it even more complex. Why? Because we are dealing with different countries. We're dealing with language issues, localization. So that's more process on the one hand to create these campaigns, but it also is more knowledge that you require to actually build campaigns that convert. Because what works, for example, in Finland doesn't necessarily work in Spain. So that's where we come in. So adding that extra layer of knowledge in order to make Eloqua really provide value to the organization, that's what we do. We have two types of customers. The first type are European-based companies with headquarters here. And the second type are US headquartered companies with pretty large organizations across Europe. And what we do for those companies is help the onboarding of Eloqua in the EMEA region. So we built some sort of a bridge between the headquarters in the US and the people in the feet on the street in Europe. And the value that we bring there is that we talk the demand generation language. So we understand the language of the headquarters, and we see the capacity gap that sometimes countries are dealing with. Even if there is a willingness from headquarters to bring in the technology, the countries and the operations are inundated with the day-to-day work that they have. And that's where we can come in. So we help with knowledge, but also with capacity to fill those gaps.